Science 8, Quarter 1, Forces Acting on Objects at Rest. What's up mga kadalas Aces? Magandang hapon po. Ayan. So, andito na naman tayo sa panibagong episode ng Learning Science with Sir Japoy. So, noong nakaraan po, pinag-aralan po natin ang tungkol sa pinagkaiba ng balance at saka ng unbalanced forces. Nalaman po natin na kapag balanced forces ay ang net force is equal to 0. Pag naman unbalanced ay ang net force po is greater than 0. Kaya nagmumubang isang bagay. Ngayon naman po ay pag-aralan natin. Are there forces on objects at rest? Mayroon bang mga force na dahilan or nag-aak sa isang bagay na hindi gumagalaw? Yan ang aalamin natin. Okay. So yan. Ang example natin na halimbawa ay yung hanging pen. Yan. So mayroong ballpen or lapis na nakatali and then nakahang, nakabitin. Meron daw doon forces? Ang sagot ay yes po, meron po. Meron pong dalawang forces na nag-aak doon sa hanging pen. Ang una po nating force ay ang tinatawag na gravitational force. Yung pong pababa na force. Okay? And then, meron naman po ulit na isa pang force at yun po yung tension. Tension force na dulot po noon nung spring na nakatali. Ano po? Yun po ang humahatak. Tinutulak po ni gravity pababa, hinahatak naman ni tension pataas. So, since the ballpen is at rest and not moving, ibig sabihin po, yung pong forces ng gravity at yung force ng tension is equal. Balanced force po, kaya the object is not moving. Another example po is the book on the table. Ito po, book on the table. It's not moving, right? Pero it doesn't mean wala ng force na nag-aak doon. Again, there are two forces acting on the book at the table, though it's in state of equilibrium. Ano yung dalawang forces na yon? Again, the first one is the gravitational force or the pull of gravity. Ang pangalawa naman is the normal force that is created by the table. And since the book is not moving at the top of the table, therefore, there are two balanced forces that make it possible. So now you know. Bye-bye. Follow for more.